Hello, Kay here from Brainstorm Force. To make your life easier, your website uses a page builder called Spectra. Spectra is a visual drag and drop editor to design your pages without code. So, how to use the Spectra page builder? So there are two ways you can edit your pages. You can either go to Pages, All Pages, then choose the page you want to edit and hit Edit. Or you can just view your website here. So hover over the name of your website, hit Visit Site, then navigate to the page you want to change. It could be the About page, then hit on Edit Page. And first, let me show you how easy it is to edit the existing content. So here I'm just going to click here on the title, and right away you can see our right side panel changed. So here on top you see the name of the block we're using, and think of the blocks like Lego blocks. This is how we're going to build our pages with blocks, and more about that in a moment. But here, as you can see, we have a heading block. And we have a bunch of settings that we can change here. For example, I can align the text left, middle, and right. So let me put it back in the center. I can change the heading tag from H1 to H6 and even paragraph. Think of the H1 to H6 as if you were in a Word document, like the biggest title to the smallest title. Now, if I just want to change the content, I just click here. And for example, I can change it like this. Now let me put it back. And I can also change the style by clicking on the Style tab, then hit the pencil icon here on Typography, and here I can change the font size. So like this, you get the idea. Now the rest of the options are pretty self-explanatory, and you have total freedom. Just make sure you stay consistent with your design. Next, you can see we have a floating bar here with a bunch of options. So if I select my text, I can make it bold, italic. I can also hit the three dots and I have more options like duplicate, for example. So let me change this. And now you can also drag and drop the elements. So for example, let me put the mouse over the 6 dots here and I can drag it above the other one. So now it's on top. But if you don't want to drag and drop, you can also just hit the arrow here. And there you go. It's back in its position. Now, if you want to delete it, hit the 3 dots and hit delete. Next, let's say I want to change this image here. So here, this image is a background image. How do I know this? Because there is text above it. Now, if I scroll down, this is an image block. And if I click on it, you can see here, image block. So let me show you how to change both. So let's scroll back up. So here, I'm just going to click here. And if you want to know exactly what you're selecting, you can open the document overview here. So here I can see I selected my container. And if I expand, I can see the heading title I have inside. Now, I told you it's a background image, so let me go back to container and then click on the Style tab. And here is our background image. So now all I need to do is click on it. Then I can just drag and drop files, search images online, or select them from the media library. And that's what I'm going to do. So let me change the image by this one, then hit select. And there you go. Super easy. Now let me scroll down. And let me click on this image here. And as you can see here, this is an image block. So I'm going to hit change image. And this time I'm going to select this image here. Then hit select and voila. Super easy. Now, if I want to change regular text, it's the same thing. I just click here and I can just change the text here. And once I hit save, the changes will be reflected online. Now, that was for editing existing content. Now, let's imagine I want to add new content. I can click here on the plus sign. And for example, let me add a heading block. And let's call it my heading. Now, as we saw before, I can align it here in the middle. And now let's add an image. So with my heading selected, I'm going to click on the plus sign and select an image block. Then go to Media Library. And I'm going to pick this image here. Then hit select. And there you go. Super simple. Now, another great feature of Spectra is that it comes with responsive modes. So if you click on the icon here, as you can see, we are in desktop mode, but we can go into tablet mode. And here we can make some changes that will only happen in the tablet mode. Then I can go into mobile mode. So these are the foundations if you want to easily edit the content of your WordPress website with the Spectra Visual Page Builder. And if you want to know more about Spectra, you may want to watch this video or even this video on the Brainstorm Force YouTube channel.